Hey, what's up, y'all? We're back again. So I'm gonna install the red stop-start button in the Alfa Julia. So let's get started. So I put some tape around the chrome bezel here so I don't scratch it with the pick. So I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna try to get to these little tabs on the outside of this one and then pop it off, and then hopefully I pop this one on. I got this off of Amazon.